March 2, ipaday sa kuha, March 2, it was revealed to me. Unang-una sa inyo tanan. Tari, minaw. And also to the world. No one shall hurt the Son. By word, by thought, and by deed. Ayaw pagunahunag dautan nga makasakit sa anak, bisan sa pulong, bisan sa hunang-huna, bisan sa sulti, o bisan sa pagduha-duha. Wala na itugutan ng amahan na. Nagpabili ng he that honoreth the Son, honoreth the Father. Ayaw gyud mo panghilabot na dito. Ayaw mong duha-duha. Bisan sa inyong hunahuna, ang anghel nagatanaw sa inyo ha. Bisan sa hunahuna, ayaw gyud ko ninyo sakiton, pinagig pagduha-duha. Bisan sa pulong, bisan sa conversation. The Father will not forgive it anymore. That's why, karon ko nakakita, there is an unforgivable and pardonable sin. And this is it. Okay? Oh. Son of man, buhaton ni mo tanan sa iya. Katugibon la, as a son of man, kaya nilan ko as a son of man lang. Di wala mo sila to, son of God ko. Son of man lang ko. So they did everything they could possibly do to hurt me. But now, ipaila sa amahan ng Son of God, being a Son of God really, kamoy nakailang una-una, pagkagitandog nimo ang pagiging Son of God sa Son, unpardonable, unforgivable sin to. He that touches the Son, touches the Father. Manana siya ang prinsipyo. He that honoreth the Son, honoreth the Father. He that honoreth not the Son, honoreth not the Father. He that hates the Son, hates the Father. He that touches the Son, touches the Father. He that wants to kill the Son is killing the Father. What will the Father do? Kasi may lain na kaila sa anak. No one knows the Son but the Father. And no one knows the Father but the Son. And to whom the Son will reveal Him. So, this is a commandment. So, kingdom citizens, be watchful over that. There is a circle within the kingdom nation, which is the Holy of Holiest, which is inviolable, which is the Father and Son relationship. Don't go near that. Na kuryente mo. Ang kalibutan na kuryente na. So, kanan-tanan nagdawat sa kuha, maluoy ko. Di na gid na sila mapasaylo. I am sorry to say that. May patong gawas, nga wala gid ng hilabot. Pisa ni gawas sila. Okay pa. Pag gawas, nagpagamit sa mga demonyo diha, niya nang hilabot sa anak, ibaligtad nilang testimony, lalo na, they have no more chance. Bisan mo luha pa sila dugo. They've lost their birthright. They've lost their blessings. They've lost their salvation. They've lost their souls forever. Kung muduol sila diri, bisan mo luha pagdugo, pareha sila kang Isaw. No more salvation for you. I'm sorry to say that. Nasukot na gyud ang amahan. So, muna akong last word sa inyo ha, bantayin ninyo mayo na. Ibutang sa inyong heart. Hilabti ang tanan, ayaw lang gyud ang anak. Kaya ang amahan naa sa anak. So, praise the Father,